Russia continues to lose their more expensive TOS-1A thermobaric multiple rocket launchers, offering a lot of firepower, but making the system very vulnerable when loaded with rockets and needing to be up close at the front line with its shorter range. Here Ukraine's drone army is chasing down a TOS system still loaded with rockets. With the first one striking the system, it very luckily managed to avoid getting its ammunition to catch fire. But Ukraine sent another one, which caused the ammunition to start burning, letting the hot fire from the rockets to destroy the system before having a smaller explosion with a continued fire, taking out another TOS system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.